Meat is still holding the level for the second time for the first week for this year. So we have to discuss where the price will go for this month and at least this week for Beyond Meat, and are we gonna have the squeeze that we're waiting for? Because the price is not too much down. The short is not heavily like before. We have a bit of fighting from the buyers, so there's a chance that we're gonna have a switch coming up pretty soon. So we have to prepare for that. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So look at this level for Beyond Meat, guys. Today the volume is okay. It's getting almost 10 million. In the pre-market, we were getting near the breakout around the 95, which is the new level that we should watch out for here around almost the 96. We went until the 92, and market open, or before the market open, we have a pullback. However, this pullback is still not below the 80 cent. So we have a little pullback, and now we're still hovering around 86, not the 81. So as long as we consolidate inside this channel, is mean we are still preparing for a switch from the bearish to the bullish. Let me just give you an example, because last time we had this kind of scenario. We have the pullback here happened at the market open, then we pulled back, we consolidated for almost 1 week. After that, we escaped from this channel and we squeezed 100%. This was last year at the end of the December or November. And now we have the same trend here. We still pulling back and we still consolidated. And then the breakout should happen around the 96 to confirm the breakout. And of course, the squeeze that we're waiting for toward the 120 and the $2 and beyond. So now we're still inside the channel. As you see here, the last channel, we've been inside of it a lot of time. Let me just show you here. We've been consolidated for 1 month. And this channel, on the other hand, is exactly the same time as 1 month or just 33 days. Before we have 31 days. So we should have an imminent breakout, but confirmation, guys, the confirmation for breakout once we break the 96. Because if we didn't break the 96, it means we're not ready yet. If we don't break this channel, it means we're not ready yet, and we might have a pullback toward the 80 and maybe even the 66 and 50. This is the worst case scenario. But the best case scenario is holding here over the 81, consolidating between the 96 and 81. After that, breaking the 96, this is will give us 37%, 79, or 150% for the best case scenario toward the $2.19. But if in the meantime, just keep your eyes closed for the 96 resistance and the 81 support, at least for this week, because we might have this reaction coming up pretty much this week.